Welcome to Aware Consumer. If you're on the hunt for the best mini drones of 2024, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner looking to get started with drone flying or an experienced pilot seeking the latest and greatest in drone technology, we've got you covered. Today, we'll be exploring the top mini drones that offer the perfect blend of performance, features, and value. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's dive in and find the best mini drone for you. Best mini drone overall. DJI Mini 4 Pro. With a lightweight build and pro-grade features, the DJI Mini 3 Pro was previously our favorite drone. The Mini 4 Pro builds on its qualities to deliver an even better experience, albeit not a radically different one. If you already own a Mini 3 Pro, it probably doesn't justify an upgrade. But if you're switching from a different model or buying your first mini-series drone, it's an excellent choice. Its small folding design is almost identical to the Mini 3 Pro, as is the regulation-friendly 249-gram takeoff weight. Thanks to processing updates, we found it even better at handling noise in low light. Serious videographers will also welcome the new D-Log M color profile, which offers greater consistency with the Mavic 3. Obstacle avoidance is now omnidirectional, meaning the Mini 4 Pro is even safer than its predecessor when it comes to operating indoors or near trees. We also found ActiveTrack 360-degree highly effective, making it an easy drone for beginners to fly confidently. If you can afford the DJI RC2 controller option, you'll have the best backpack-friendly drone bundle. Best budget mini drone. DJI Mini 3. If you're a first-time buyer, the Mini 3 is the best budget drone you can buy. It's small, lightweight, and much more affordable than the Mini 4 Pro. It lacks the obstacle avoidance that its pricier sibling offers. However, if you're confident enough to navigate obstacles without DJI's automated safety feature, then the budget-friendly option delivers identical image quality, 4K video at up to 30 FPS, and excellent JPEG and RAW images. Its 12-megapixel sensor also rotates to shoot in portrait, handy for social. What you don't get is log color profiles, and that will limit the Mini 3 appeal to professionals who need the editing flexibility for video files. Another notable absence when compared to Pro drones is subject tracking. However, DJI's QuickShots feature is present and a treat for beginners, allowing them to plot an automated flight path and potential capture engaging video sequences. This is an easy drone to start your piloting journey, especially if you get it with the optional controller and with the downward vision sensors and GPS that help with precise hovering. You'll get better image quality and increased stability in windy conditions with pro drones like the Mavic 3 Classic, but the Mini 3 is the one for budget buyers. Best beginner mini drone. Ryze Tello. Simple, lightweight, and affordable, the Ryze Tello is a fun drone for first-time flyers. Despite its budget price tag, the Tello offers plenty. The battery delivered a reasonable 13 minutes of flight time in testing, while downward-facing light sensors allow the Tello to hover in place and perform a handful of automated tricks. Our review found image quality from the nose-mounted 5-megapixel camera to be less impressive, with limited dynamic range and noticeable compression artifacts when streaming 720p HD video. Because video is beamed directly to your smartphone, the frame rate is affected by any drop in connection strength. That said, we found the app refreshingly simple. It offers a straightforward way to pilot the Tello, with an on-screen twin-stick setup that's rewardingly responsive. The theoretical range is 100 meters, but 30-40 meters is more realistic, which, given how even the slightest breeze can blow the 8-gram Tello off course, is not necessarily a bad thing. On a calm day, it's fundamentally an enjoyable drone to fly, zipping along at a rapid chop and reacting nimbly to intuitive inputs. The limited range is somewhat restrictive, but provided you don't mind choppy video, it's nevertheless the best starter drone around. Best premium mini drone. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. It's the first consumer drone to feature 3 cameras, ideal for aerial photography, and filmmakers who need the most versatile drone on the market. The Mavic 3 Pro's main camera is the same one used by the Mavic 3 Classic and its 20-megapixel 4/3 sensor, and offers the best image quality of the 3 cameras, together with its adjustable aperture, pro-tier video formats, and frame rates. That said, if you need the extra reach from the main 24mm focal length of this camera, both 3x and 7x telephoto cameras produce excellent images. As a pro drone, the Mavic 3 Pro is also incredibly easy to fly even in windy conditions and accessible to all users, thanks to its excellent safety features and intuitive controls, although it's in the restrictive C2 European drone category because of how heavy it is. Another sticking point is its price that makes it overkill for beginners. However, it's a more portable and less expensive option for pros than the Inspire 3. Plus, it's even more versatile. Best first-person view drone. DJI Avata 2. The Avata 2 is longer, flatter, and more aerodynamic than before. This helps it to achieve longer flight times of up to 23 minutes, and also makes it quieter than the original Avata. Thanks to an enhanced 1.3-inch CMOS sensor and 10-bit D-Log-M support, we were able to shoot higher quality 4K 60 FPS footage, with improved dynamic range revealing more detail in the shadows. Footage streamed to the upgraded DJI Goggles 3 also proved crisp, courtesy of a new video transmission system that makes it easier to spot potential obstacles. If you're looking for a forgiving route into the immersive world of FPV flight, we think the Avata 2 is a top choice. And that wraps up our review of the best mini drones of 2024. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect mini drone to suit your needs and elevate your flying experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Aware Consumer, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future updates. Feel free to leave a comment below with your favorite mini drone or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching.